Poems, rhymes, songs, Sunshine Kids.
This veggie market is so beautiful. Everyone is smiling, everyone is joyful here. Potatoes, tomatoes, carrots too, ladyfinger, spinach, and peas are here too. Potato goes missing,
Potato is missing.
potato is nowhere to be seen. Potato dear, where did you go? We searched for you, but you didn't show.
We looked here, we looked there, everywhere we went. Potato dear, where did you go?
Looking for clues,
We found a peel lying right here
could this be a clue?
that leads us near.
There's a mark in the mud, come take a look. Should we check inside this veggie nook?
Come on, let's go.
Let's go.
We're all together. Finding potato is today's endeavor.
Potato is found.
Potato is found. Look here, friends. Potato is found, sleeping in the basket, safe and sound. Oh no, I fell asleep, my friends.
I was tired, rest is such a blessing in the end.
Potato dear, where did you go? In the vegetable basket you slept so. With laughter and joy together we stay, spreading the message of friendship today.
Let's live with love
And work as one. Don't hide away like potato, my chum.
Let's work together.
Let's spread love. A message of kindness from above. Listen to the story of potato today. In the veggie market, stay happy and play.